Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am using a 30 by 40 centimeter canvas. I am going to be doing another ghost swipe using business cards. Today my background will be granite grey, which is a pre-mixed and ready to pour Iraldo paint. I will be using light purple and Amsterdam titanium white. This is my cellar activator today, and it is mixed 1 part paint and 3 parts Aussie Floetrol. And my purple is mixed 1 part paint and 2 parts of my Floetrol, white PVA glue and global pouring medium mix.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me